Hey home cooks! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today I'm bringing you a comforting classic with a gluten-free twist that will make your taste buds dance with joy. We are making delicious gluten-free fried chicken and baked sweet potato fries. Perfect for any meal, whether it's lunch, dinner, or even a hearty snack. Let's dive right in and get started on this mouth-watering journey. First up, the ingredients. It's always best to gather everything you need before you start cooking. You'll need 4 chicken thighs, or, if you prefer a vegan option, cauliflower florets. Both options are equally delicious and satisfying. Grab a cup of gluten-free flour, a teaspoon each of paprika and garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. These spices will give our dish a wonderful flavor. For the fries, you'll need 2 sweet potatoes, cut into fries, and some olive oil. Sweet potatoes are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. Alright, let's get started with the chicken. This is where the fun begins. In a bowl, mix your gluten-free flour, paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Make sure everything is well combined. Coat the chicken thighs or cauliflower florets in this flavorful mixture. Ensure each piece is thoroughly covered for maximum flavor. Trust me, this is where the magic begins. The seasoning will make every bite burst with flavor. Next, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. You want the oil to be hot but not smoking. Once it's hot, add your coated chicken or cauliflower. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry until crispy and golden on both sides. This should take about 5-7 minutes per side depending on the thickness. The aroma is going to be irresistible. Your kitchen will smell amazing. While that's cooking, let's prep our sweet potato fries. These are a healthier alternative to regular fries and just as tasty. Toss the fries in olive oil, making sure they're well coated. This helps them get crispy in the oven. Spread them out on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Make sure they are in a single layer for even cooking. Don't forget to flip them halfway through so they get nice and crispy on all sides. This ensures they cook evenly and get that perfect crunch. Now, let's talk drinks. A good meal is always complemented by a refreshing beverage. For a refreshing non-alcoholic option, how about a zesty lemonade? It's perfect for cutting through the richness of the fried chicken. Mix fresh lemon juice, water, and a touch of honey or sugar. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. Serve it over ice with a sprig of mint. It's not only refreshing but also looks beautiful. So refreshing. But if you're in the mood for something warm and cozy, for a cozy warm drink, you can't go wrong with a classic hot chocolate. It's a hug in a mug. Heat some milk, add cocoa powder, and a bit of sugar. Stir until smooth. You can also add a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also add marshmallows for an extra treat. Perfect for those chilly days. It's like a warm blanket in a cup. Feeling a bit fancy? Let's elevate our drink game. Let's make a simple cocktail. Try a classic mojito. It's refreshing and has a nice kick. Muddle some fresh mint leaves with lime and sugar. This releases the mint's essential oils and the lime's juice. Add ice, a shot of white rum, and top it off with sparkling water. You can adjust the rum to your preference. Give it a gentle stir and enjoy. It's the perfect drink for a relaxing evening. Prefer something non-alcoholic? No problem. How about a sparkling berry mocktail? It's fruity, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. Mix berry juice with sparkling water. Add some fresh berries and mint for garnish. You can use any berries you like. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. It's vibrant and super tasty. A great option for those who prefer non-alcoholic drinks. And there you have it. A complete meal with drinks to match. Crispy gluten-free fried chicken with baked sweet potato fries, paired with your choice of a refreshing drink. It's a feast for the senses. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to us. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. We have so many more exciting dishes coming your way. It's completely free, and it really helps the channel grow. We appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time with another delightful recipe.